Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is November 15th, 2022. This is my 134th episode about C++ 17, 2023, CUDA, SQL, OpenGL, OpenCL, TBB, and Vulkan. This is my 6th episode for internationalization and localization. In this episode, we will learn how to use SED vformat. Also, SED make W format, ARGs, string formatting in modern C++. If you want to follow my current session, please watch my previous video, episode 133. Click this link. In my previous video, we learned production level internationalization. I used FormatMessage and CString FormatMessage. This is older method before C++ 20. Now C++ 20 introduced vformat, so we can take advantage of modern C++ for internationalization and localization. Show more. You can download the previous source code by clicking this link. Show in folder, unzip it, rename 134 Internationalization, copy, paste. In this folder, open up your solution. Press Ctrl F5. You should be able to build and run successfully. Now close it. Close it. In the class view, select C code view on initial update. Suppose we want to create this sentence. Tom has 6 apples. This is very simple text. Copy. In your web browser, open up Google Translation. Paste. So this is Japanese text. Copy. Paste it here. Now copy. Paste it here. Detect the language. This is Japanese. We translate Japanese into Korean. 톰에게는 사과 6개가 있습니다. This is Korean translation. I will make it correct Korean grammar. 톰은 사과 6개를 갖고 있습니다. This is correct Korean translation. If we match our Korean translation along with Japanese, this is Japanese subject. This is Korean subject. 링고 오 it means 사과를 okay 6개 갖고 있습니다. So this Japanese translation and the Korean translation matches exactly the same. It should be 사과를 6개 갖고 있습니다. This means 6 pieces of apple. This means have. In Korean, 갖고 있습니다. Korean and Japanese matches word by word like this. Grammar is exactly the same. Now we say this is 0. This is 1. this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so this is our English grammar. In the resource view, we will create a new string. This is Tom has en. Sorry, copy, paste it here. It should be KO. Now here again, this is subject, Japanese subject. This is object. Object should come here. Then this is apple count. This is 6. We will make like this. This is Bob. Okay, so this is Japanese and Korean grammar. The difference between Korean and Japanese is that Japanese does not use space between words. So this is proper Japanese sentence. In case of Korean, we use space. So it should be like this. But after number, we don't use space. So this is Korean grammar. Word order is exactly the same. In case of Japanese, they don't use space. In case of Korean, we use space. So this is Korean grammar. There is one space. Then there is no space. This is Korean grammar. Now hit enter. This is Japanese grammar. In case of Japanese grammar, they don't use space. So it is Tom has JA. Okay, I will copy, then paste. This should be JA, this should be KO. So this is format string. It represents word order. Now here we will create one function, std wstring load string unsigned int rcid. rcid stands for resource ID. We need H instance. We set null. Now CString str if str load string, it has overload instance handle, then NID. NID is resource ID. So H instance, then RZID. If it fails, returns false. Okay? If it returns false, it means we failed to load the string. std o string stream os failed to load string. We print out RZID. Then throw std runtime error os str. So we throw exception. Then return str get string. Okay, we return w string. Now scroll down. We create another function. This function is very simple. std w string make sentence unsigned int grammar id. We can pass h instance. We can pass null. Then auto args. If you want to, you can use I value reference to. Now here std w string format. This is format string. Load string. We pass grammar id. Then this h instance. Then return std v format fmt std make w format arg semicolon. We have to pass args. Also, we have to expand. For more information, please refer to this documentation. Okay. Now scroll down. Here, please note that we have to use try catch. std format error constant l value reference error std cout error what std endl. Because we use std format error, because if this function fails, then throws std format error. Okay, now here right click format error, go to definition. format error's base class is runtime error. Okay, runtime error's base class is exception. So I will use exception. Now here auto Tom has en. This is English text. Make a sentence. We pass from here this format. Okay, this grammar ID is this. I will paste it here. So we pass this string. The first comes L Tom. This is subject. The second comes has Bob. The third is 5 apple count. Apples. This is English sentence, or you can refer to this text. Okay, I will copy, paste it here for your reference. Like this. Okay. Now we create another sentence. This is Tom has JA. So this is JA. Sadly, we need Japanese translation too. I will just copy, then paste it here. Now this is the subject. This is subject. 톰와 토모와. Okay. 링고 오. 링고 오. Okay. This is apple. 링고 오 apple. Okay. 6. So I will set it 6. 6. This text is Bob. Okay. I haven't changed it, the order of this parameter. Now copy, paste. This is KO, Korean text. We pass IDS Tom has a KO. This is subject. 톰은 this subject. 사과를. Okay. This is apple. 6. This is Bob. This is Bob. Okay. Now WOS output new line character Tom has en. I will copy, paste. This is KO, Korean text. This is JA, Japanese text. Now press Ctrl F5. Sorry, I made mistake. We missed. We have to pass null. Okay. Go up. Null represent. Make a sentence. H instance. Okay. We have to pass H instance. We pass null. Now press Ctrl F5. Wow, this is English text. This is Korean text. This is Japanese text. Here, I missed period. Now, close it. I missed Japanese period. Here. Press Ctrl F5. Now everything works correctly. Also in the console window. Please understand that Korean grammar is very similar to Japanese grammar. So once you learn one language, you can easily learn another language.